Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let me discuss about how to arrange zeros, ones and twos in the given array. Now for that one, I'm creating here one separate class. Okay, now class name let me follow as simply, okay, now ARR I given. Now inside the ARR, now let me take the main method, and inside the main method, okay, now first let me use one array. Now int arr array equals to, and inside here I'm arranging the values like 0 1 and 0 2, then go with the 1 1, then again 2, then take the 0 and 2, then take the 1. Okay, now again I'm giving the 0. Okay, now this is my array. Now I need to go with the zeros, ones and twos arrangement, and for that one I'm creating here one variable like empty, and consider int I equals to 0 and I less than or equals to arr dot length minus 1 and I plus plus. And instead here I'm comparing one value with the remaining value, so we need to take integer j equals to I plus 1 and j less than or equals to arr dot length minus 1 and take the j plus plus. And inside I'm arranging like if our ARR of our I value is greater than the ARR of our J value, then we need to shuffle the values. So take the temp equals to ARR of our I value. Next, our ARR of our I equals to our ARR of our I value equals to the ARR of our J value, and next ARR of our J value equals to the ARR of our not the ARR of our temp value. Okay, now let me check the array. Now it is same like the sorting of an array only, but in the sorting array they given the remaining values, but here only we have the zeros and ones. That is the logic. Okay, now let me go with the arrays dot and toString method, and inside the toString method consider ARR. Okay, now let me check the values. See, it is arranging zeros and later on ones and twos. Okay, now this is the code for arranging the zeros, ones and twos in the given array. Okay, now thank you guys, thanks for watching. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to your friend, then that it may help for them also. Okay, now thank you.